I welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming projects, and in this video lecture I'll go ahead and teach you how to create a simple project that will help you to check if a number is an even number or an odd number. Alright, so in the previous lecture we were able to check out if something is a positive or negative number, but now we're going to check if that is an odd number or a positive number. And you can see that my screen changed, and I have the white background right here. You might ask me how did I do that, but I believe that if you've installed PyCharm you can be able to do that, but I will run you quickly to show you how I did it. So go to your settings, and when it opens, go to appearance and click on appearance, and you can see team option. You can choose between Dacola and IntelliJ, and then you can be able to use that. The reason is because if you're having a poor vision, and especially people who work on computer always, you need something that is very bright so you can be able to see what you're doing. And because I want everyone to see that, that is why I changed that to white, in case you're having poor vision, so that you can be able to see clearly what we are doing right here. Now we go ahead and start off immediately, and before I continue, I want to tell us that the reason why I changed that was because some of my students messaged me after taking my course on the Python programming, asking me to make this to white so that they can be able to see that, because most of them wear glasses, and in order to comply to that I have to change this to be like this. Okay, maybe if I receive more messages concerning this in future, I cannot tell you what I have done or what I've decided to use, whether I go ahead with the IntelliJ or with the Dacola. Any one of them I will let you know, but for now we'll continue to use this at the moment. And if you don't find that good, please go ahead and use the message box, and I'm going to reply to you as soon as possible. But for now, let's go ahead and look at the even number and an odd number. So first of all, go ahead and create an integer variable of x, and let x be equal to int input, and we'll go ahead and request the user to insert any number. So go ahead and say insert any number. All right, so once the user insert the number, we'll go ahead and use an if statement to check out the number. So I'm going ahead and say if, let's go ahead and say if x modulus 2, if x modulus 2 is equivalent to 0. So what it means that when x is being divided by 2 and the remainder is equal to 0, that means that number must be an even number. So go ahead and print out and say this is an even number. All right, so this is an even number, and else it means that that number must be an odd number. So else print, I want to say this is an odd number. All right, so this is an even number and this is an odd number. Let's go ahead and right click on that and run this code, and let's check it out. So you can see that my cancel is still the default, because you will still see what I do at the result part of it. So always look at this point and check out the results. So I'll go ahead and put 7 and hit enter. So 7 is an odd number. So if I go ahead and run this code, let's put in something like 8 and hit. This is an even number. So I believe you can see that it works out fine. It gives you odd number and even number. You can go ahead and practice more on that and check it out, and try to lay your hands and let deep into this, and you can be able to understand more on things we are doing in Python, because Python is very simple and straightforward. And in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.